यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय.
As we had discussed about in a last video that the wisdom of Bhagavad Gita is universal and is made for everyone. Let me narrate you a story which will help you to understand this. Here is a story about an old farmer who lived on a farm in the mountains with his grandson. Very interestingly, this grandfather wake up early in the morning and the first thing after getting ready and do is read Bhagavad Gita. His grandson loved his grandfather a lot and he wanted to be just like him, and he imitated him in any way he could. One day he asked, Grandpa, I tried to read Bhagavad Gita, but I don't understand. If I understand reading anything, then I forget it as soon as I close the book. What good does Bhagavad Gita reading do? At that time, Grandpa putting coal in the stove. He stopped and said, Take this coal basket and go down to the river and bring me back this basket with water. The boy go down to the river and fill some water, but all water leaked out before he go back to the house. Grandpa laughed and said, You have to move a little faster in next time, and send him to the river. The boy ran faster in this time, but again all water leaked out before he go back to the house. Finally the boy said, Grandpa, it is impossible to carry water in the basket. Rather, he should bring it in the bucket. But again Grandpa requested to go down to the river again and bring me back the basket with water once more time. The boy go down to the river, but the same thing is happened. Finally the boy said, See Grandpa, this is useless. You think this is useless, but looked at the basket. The boy carefully looked at the basket. The basket is looking very different. It is transformed from dirty basket to clean basket. The old farmer said, Son, what happened when you read Bhagavad Gita? You might not understand or remember, but when you read it, you will change inside and out. It is the matter of experience. Obviously, the question arises, if Bhagavad Gita is wider. The fact about Bhagavad Gita is in fact an open secret. Anyone can see and read it. But the wisdom is password protected. So, what is password? In the next video, we will discuss about password in Bhagavad Gita. Till then, bye and Jai Sri Krishna.